San Francisco, California. It's been at the top of the list when talking about a lot of these things. Well, San Francisco and 160 sheriffs now, sheriff's deputies, threatening to resign due to the mandatory COVID-19 vaccine. So this is the situation in just this one area. So when you take a step back and you try to see the bigger picture and see this large scale, boy, oh boy. So just one area here, San Francisco, seeing 160 some sheriff's deputies making this statement. And we see similar things like this happening in other cities. Not only, like I said, in this country, but across the globe. So where this will go from here, we don't know. As I've said before, you're going to have to sit here and take a good look around you and see what's happening with the mindset around you where you live. Okay? In this instance, we're going to see a lot of these guys leave.
Please think about the mobile phone that you use Facebook on most often. It can be your phone or someone else's phone. This sounds like a fucking interrogation.